Hello, friends. This is Rue the World, and thank you for watching YOLO TV. What we're going to do today is learn how to change Ethereum into wrapped Ethereum, or basically WETH. This is a very important skill to learn because many of the exchanges need you to have WETH to swap for other coins. All right, let's get started. The first thing you need to do is switch over to a Uniswap or Pancake Swap. In this case, we're going to use ShibaSwap. And one of the most important things you need to do is go ahead and connect your wallet. Connect your wallet here. And we're going to connect my wallet, which is the Coinbase wallet. You can take a look and see the icon there, and that's a Coinbase wallet. In another video, we'll learn how to show you how to set up a Coinbase wallet and how to connect it to ShibaSwap. But for now, let's swap Ethereum for wrapped Ethereum. Go ahead and go to the swap category, and you'll see here swap tokens, and that's where you want to go. Click that one, and you now have a choice of two types of tokens. We're going to switch Ethereum, which is already selected, but if you click this here, you have choices of other coins, or we're going to choose this again, Ethereum. Click that again. And our second coin we're going to do is we're going to change it over to wrapped Ethereum. And the ratio is 1:1. So go ahead and click that. In this case, I'm going to switch over to 0.0.2742317 and again that's 0.2742317. That's about, at this time, around $680. So we're going to wrap that. It's going to connect to my Coinbase. And as you can see, it's pending right there. That it's changing or swapping the Ethereum for wrapped Ethereum or WETH. We can take a look at the progress by clicking that button and seeing what's going on. So far, the check marks show it's going, and all we're waiting for is the final step, and there it goes. It's been changed. My Ethereum has been swapped over for a wrapped Ethereum, and now I can close the window. And then when we check again, we can go here and we'll switch over to WETH Ethereum, and we can see from here, right here, the balance is now 0.27. So the process has worked, and now we can use that WETH Ethereum for any other exchanges that we need. Thank you for tuning in. Click that subscribe button, and then don't forget to click on the notifications so that you'll get more videos that will be coming your way. Thank you, and have a wonderful day.